How would you spend $5 billion on a building? Let's take a look inside one of the world's most expensive and futuristic buildings, Apple Park. This isn't just any headquarters. It's a $5 billion wonder filled with surprises and incredible design. Built in Cupertino, California, this massive project took 4 years to complete and was finished in 2017. But what makes Apple Park so special? Let's explore its secrets. The Ring, Apple's main building. The heart of Apple Park is a building called The Ring. It's a giant circle, almost like a spaceship, and has 4 floors of office space. More than 12,000 people work here. Walking around the ring isn't quick. It takes about 15 minutes to go all the way around. But with beautiful glass walls and views of nature, the walk is worth it. The ring's walls are made of curved glass, giving workers a clear view of the outdoors. This design isn't just for looks. It's meant to inspire creativity and make it easier for employees to talk to each other. The offices are open spaces, called pods, where teams can collaborate or work quietly. A controversial design choice. While the ring's open layout aims to boost creativity, some employees have raised concerns. Open office spaces can be noisy and distracting, making it hard to focus on tasks that require deep concentration. Additionally, the glass walls, though beautiful, can pose a safety risk. There have been several incidents where employees walked into the glass by accident, leading to minor injuries. To prevent further accidents, some workers place sticky notes on the glass walls to make them more noticeable. However, Apple's management quickly removed them as they didn't fit with the sleek, minimalist aesthetic of the building. Despite these challenges, many employees appreciate the unique design and the sense of community it fosters. Dining like never before. At Apple Park, even lunch breaks are an experience. The campus features a massive cafeteria called Cafe Max. Spanning 58,000 square feet, this dining area can accommodate thousands of employees at once. The highlight of Cafe Max is its 4-story sliding glass doors, the largest in the world. On sunny days, these doors open to reveal a beautiful courtyard, allowing employees to enjoy their meals outdoors. Apple is known for its attention to detail, and the cafeteria is no exception. They even patented their pizza box to ensure that the crust stays crispy. This small but significant invention shows Apple's commitment to enhancing every aspect of their employees' experience. Cafe Max isn't just a place to eat. It's designed to encourage social interaction. By having one large cafeteria instead of multiple smaller ones, Apple increases the chances of employees from different departments meeting and sharing ideas. It's all part of Apple's strategy to create a collaborative and innovative work environment. Hidden underneath, the parking garage. Beneath the ring lies a 2-story parking garage that's as meticulously designed as the rest of the campus. This isn't your typical underground parking lot. It features domed ceilings, reflective white tiles, and traffic lights seamlessly integrated into the architecture. The design ensures that the parking garage doesn't interfere with the beautiful landscape above. The garage can accommodate thousands of vehicles, providing convenient access for employees. With over 14,000 parking spaces spread across the campus, Apple has ensured that everyone can easily find a spot. The underground garage also helps maintain the campus's clean and uncluttered appearance, with cars hidden from view. A campus full of greenery. Steve Jobs had a vision for Apple Park to be a place where technology meets nature. To bring this vision to life, Apple collaborated with arborist David Muffley, who oversaw the planting of 9,000 trees across the campus. These aren't just any trees, they were carefully selected for their beauty and ability to withstand drought conditions, which are common in California. The campus features a variety of trees, including apricot, olive, and apple trees. There's even an herb garden near the cafeteria, where fresh herbs are grown for use in the meals served at Cafe Max. The center of the ring is home to a large, circular pond, creating a serene and picturesque environment for employees. But the landscaping isn't just about aesthetics. The greenery also plays a role in Apple Park's sustainability efforts. Trees help reduce the campus's carbon footprint by absorbing carbon dioxide and providing shade. which helps keep the buildings cool. A touch of history, the Glendenning Barn. Amidst the sleek, futuristic design of Apple Park, there's a surprising element of history, the Glendenning Barn. This rustic structure was built in 1916 and was already on the land when Apple purchased it for their headquarters. The barn was declared a historical site in 2004, so Apple couldn't demolish it. Instead, the company restored the barn and now uses it to store landscaping tools and equipment. The Glendenning Barn serves as a charming reminder of Cupertino's past, blending seamlessly with the modern architecture of Apple Park, fitness, and wellness. Apple believes that healthy employees are happy employees. That's why they built a state-of-the-art fitness and wellness center at Apple Park, covering 100,000 square feet. This facility offers everything employees need to stay active and healthy. The fitness center includes workout rooms, group exercise studios, and even a two-story yoga room. The yoga room is particularly special, as it features stone walls sourced from a specific quarry in Kansas. This stone was chosen to match the aesthetic of Steve Jobs' favorite hotel in Yosemite. The attention to detail is remarkable, reflecting Apple's commitment to providing the best for its employees. In addition to exercise facilities, the Wellness Center offers showers, changing rooms, and laundry services. Employees can freshen up after a workout and head back to work feeling rejuvenated. Sports and recreation. For those who prefer outdoor activities, Apple Park offers sports fields where employees can play basketball and tennis. These recreational facilities provide a great way for employees to unwind and stay fit. The campus's design encourages a healthy work-life balance, with plenty of opportunities for physical activity. The Steve Jobs Theater. One of the most iconic buildings at Apple Park is the Steve Jobs Theater. This stunning structure is a tribute to Apple's late co-founder, who was known for his visionary leadership. The theater is a circular building made of glass panels, topped with the largest carbon fiber roof in the world. The theater itself is located underground and can seat 921 people. It's where Apple hosts its product launches and major events. To reach the theater, visitors can take a glass elevator that rotates as it descends or walks down a spiral staircase. The design is both elegant and functional, reflecting the innovative spirit of Steve Jobs. The theater sits on the highest hill at Apple Park, offering stunning views of the campus. This location was chosen as a symbolic gesture, honoring Jobs' legacy and his contributions to the company. The Visitor Center. Apple Park isn't entirely off-limits to the public. The Visitor Center is a two-story building that welcomes guests to explore and experience Apple's world. It features 4 main areas: an Apple Store, a cafe, an exhibition space, and a rooftop terrace. The Apple Store offers exclusive merchandise that you won't find anywhere else, such as t-shirts, hats, and tote bags. The exhibition area showcases a 3D model of Apple Park, which visitors can explore using augmented reality. It's a fascinating way to learn more about the campus's design and layout. The cafe provides a relaxing space for visitors to enjoy a cup of coffee, while the rooftop terrace offers panoramic views of the entire campus. The Visitor Center also has its own underground parking garage, making it easy for guests to visit. Sustainability and innovation. Apple Park isn't just about cutting-edge design. It's also a model of sustainability. The campus is powered by renewable energy, with solar panels installed on the rooftops generating most of its electricity. The buildings are designed to use natural ventilation, reducing the need for air conditioning. Water conservation is another priority at Apple Park. The campus has a system for collecting and recycling rainwater, which is used for irrigation and other purposes. These efforts align with Apple's commitment to reducing its environmental impact and promoting sustainability. Criticism and perfectionism. Despite its many impressive features, Apple Park has faced criticism. Some people argue that spending $5 billion on a headquarters is excessive, especially for a company that already has a strong global presence. Others believe that Apple's focus on perfectionism, while admirable, can sometimes lead to unnecessary expenses. However, Apple's leadership sees things differently. They view Apple Park as an investment in the company's future. Tim Cook, Apple CEO, has described the campus as a place where innovation and creativity can flourish. He believes that Apple Park reflects the vision and values of Steve Jobs, who always strive for excellence. What do you think? Apple Park isn't just a headquarters. It's a symbol of Apple's vision and dedication to detail. From the glass walls to the custom pizza box, every corner of this campus has a story. What's your favorite part of Apple Park? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this journey through Apple Park, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more amazing stories, and we'll see you in the next video.